Hey guys, this is Darlene. So today's video is going to be the Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This will be just perfect if you have any plans to go out on a date, daytime or nighttime with your loved ones. So please keep on watching, let's do it all together. Alright, I'm putting my foundation on my cheek right now, on my forehead too. And now I thought I need to prime my eyes first before starting off the eyeshadows. And up on the primer, I wanted to begin with a warm brown eyeshadow. And next I'm using the Morphe palette and I chose black. And now I'm applying it from the outer corner of my eyes. I never ever forget the eyeliners too. Next, I need to smoke up the eyes on the outer corner. So let's apply a little bit more. And glitters on my under eyes. I cannot forget about putting the glitter shadow under my eyes. So move on to next one. This blush is from Wet n Wild. I really want to tell you that I've heard a lot of compliments on this product so many times already. And this became one of my favorite blush from the drugstore products now. So as you can see that I was already done with my left eye. So you know you're gonna have to apply a pink shadow on the right eye, just like you did the same on the left side. Okay, now I'm going to put some concealer on the eyelid, starting off with the inner corner of my eyes, and slightly blend it together. The reason why I'm adding the brownish pink color on the eye hole is because I thought it should be more deeper than the original pink shade. I'm obsessed with this color, this is so pretty. And move on to next step. In order to make a deeper eyes look, I'm gonna need to put some dark shade each side of my both eyes right now. So when you have to apply a glitter shadow on your eyelid, I usually tap it with my finger. It really works for you. This way, you're getting a better pigmentation for sure. And now, this is the time for the false lashes. Let's get your lashes flutter ready with Full On Glam look. You gotta put some effort to it. Just be careful not to put it on the eyelid. Oh my gosh, I was so thirsty. Get me some water. So usually my eyebrows are really thin, so I always have to recreate them. So make it a little thicker. I don't like my eyebrows to be too straight, so I go more rounded shape. Move on to the highlighters. It makes huge difference when you do highlight your brow bone. This highlighter that I'm putting on my face is the concealer. Just apply it to the forehead and the nose as well. And now I'm powdering my face. The particles on this MAC powder is so fine and beautiful. And then applying the bronzer under the cheekbones, across the forehead, under the chin, and bridge of your nose. I didn't go too deeper tone, but I softly contour them, and I like it. I've applied the neutral pink with orange color lipstick on the lips. And that's the little highlighters above the cheekbones, so it can catch the candlelights beautifully. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions or requested videos, please don't forget to let me know and feel free to comment down below. I'll see you guys on my next videos. Bye!